Here at Silver Creek Materials, we offer a wide range of products that you can blend together and make the ultimate top dress for your landscape. In this video, we use lava sand, green sand, Texas Special, fertilizer, and then we top it off with our enriched compost. Easy to mix, just run your hands through it just like when you were a kid with cookie dough. Before applying, make sure you rake back the older mulch. That way the product can get down to the root system a whole lot quicker and be absorbed by your plant. And don't forget, always water these products in thoroughly. In addition, top off all those pots that you got in your yard as well. Add a little bit of Color Max in there and then add the top dress into it, and once again, water it in thoroughly. You can find each one of these wonderful products to create your own top dress at Silver Creek Materials or your local feed store, hardware stores, nurseries, or garden centers.